Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine in your homes with the grace of Almighty Allah. In the last session, we had learned about the Kakatiyas. When the Delhi Sultan occupied Warangal, Kakatiya dynasty has come to end in 1323 AD. At the same time, in Karnataka, new kingdom was built near the bank of Tungabhadra river. That is Vijayanagara. Yes, today we are going to know about the Vijayanagara kings. Vijayanagara means city of victory. It was founded by two brothers named Harihara Raya and Bukkaraya in 1336 AD with the blessings of sage named Vidyaranya. The Vijayanagara Empire ruled up to 250 years. It was not ruled by the same family after Harihara Raya and Bukkaraya of Sangama dynasty. Saluva family, Araviti family and Tuluva family were also ruled the empire one after the other. On the northern side of Tungabhadra river, there was another kingdom called Bahamani kingdom. This kingdom were ruled by sultans and warriors. Many of them came from Iran and Arabia. Initially, it was one large kingdom with its capital in Gulbarga. Later, in between 1489 and 1520 AD, it broke up into 5 smaller kingdoms. In these 5 kingdoms, Bijapur and Golconda were ruled large parts of present Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. All these kingdoms were constantly at war with each other, trying to enlarge their own kingdom. They also tried to control the local warriors and chiefs about whom we read in the last chapter. With their help, they tried to establish control over the villages and towns and collect revenue taxes from the traders and farmers. Here are some names of kings of Vijayanagara dynasty and their ruling period. Let's see. Harihara Raya. He ruled from 1336 to 1357 AD. Bukkaraya I, 1357 to 1377 AD. Harihara Raya II. He ruled from 1377 to 1404 AD. And next, Devaraya II. He ruled from 1426 to 1446 AD. Next is Saluva Narsimharaya, 1486 to 1491 AD. Next is Krishna Devaraya. He ruled from 1509 to 1529 AD. Achyutaraya. He ruled from 1529 to 1542 AD. Next is Aliyaramaraya. He ruled from 1543 to 1565 AD. Next, Venkatapati Raya. He ruled from 1585 to 1614 AD. Now, let's see how do we know about the Vijayanagaras. You may know about Vijayanagara dynasty through our elders or from inscriptions by visiting the historical places or some details account left by travelers from several countries. Niccolo Conti from Italy, who visited Vijayanagara kingdom in 1420 AD. He is Abdul Razak, the Persian trader. He visited in 1443 AD during Devaraya II rule. He is Portuguese traveller called Domingo Pais, who visited it in 1520 AD during Krishna Devaraya rule. He is Nonis. He visited in 1537 AD during Achyutaraya rule. So the travelers said many things after looking at the city. The city was built on the banks of the river Tungabhadra. In that, Abdul Razak says that the city had 7 rings of fortification. Some of these have been founded by archaeologists. Fortification means to make a place stronger with walls. Here I am going to read the description of the city by Portuguese traveller Domingo Paes. The king has made a very beautiful, strong city fortified with walls and towers. These walls are not made like those of other cities, but are made of strong masonries. And inside, very beautiful rows of buildings with flat roofs. You have a broad and beautiful street full of fine houses, and these houses belongs to merchants, and there you find all sorts of rubies and diamonds and emeralds and pearls, and the clothes of every sort on the earth. In the evening you have a fair where they sell horses, vegetables, fruits and wood. Archaeologists are of the opinion that the city had 4 separate divisions. The first one devoted to temples situated on rocky hills. The second one on the valley where crops were raised using water from irrigation channels. The third, a royal center in which royal places and residences of important Nayakas were located. And the fourth one, allotted for the residence of ordinary townsfolk. Each area was separated from the other as shown in the map. Okay students, so this is the small introduction about Vijayanagaras. In later sessions, you will come to know more about Vijayanagara dynasty.